Hello viewers, today I was telling about how to edit Instagram bio. For that we need to go to Instagram account, click on profile. Here we have a edit profile, click on bio. So here we need to click on bio. I was removing all the bio. So here I have a different font of It's My Wall. So for we need, if you need different font means you need to come back. Here I have a Microsoft. If you like Google or Chrome, on that you need to click on font style. I was clicking on typing on font style. After that you need to search on font style. I was clicking typing the hello material wall. So here okay, I was again click on font style. It's I was clicking on It's My Wall, It's My World. So after that, here we had different types of fonts. I was clicking on one font. We need to copy this. We need to click on select all. No, wait for a second. I was long press on that. Okay. Here we need to tap like this. You need to copy this. After that, come back your Instagram account. Here you need to paste. I was pasting. After that, uh, hello material world. I was wish me on my birthday. What date have you need to type the date. After that, your favorite cricket lover, which did you have, you need to type that. After that we need to click on right button. Again I was clicking on right button. So like this you can edit our Instagram bio.